Want to create stunning KPI visuals like this in just 1 minute? Let's do it with the KPI visual by PowerViz. Step 1. Add the KPI by PowerViz visual from the app source. It's packed with over 100 professionally designed templates. Add the desired fields to the visual and choose from various templates, or click on Add Template and browse the library. Pick a template that fits your story. There's something for everyone. Once selected, just link your data fields. KPI by PowerViz uses smart data linking to automatically map your measures. You don't have to manually format them. You can even save your design as a custom template and share it with your team to bring consistency across all your reports. And just like that, your KPI visual is ready. Sleek, consistent, and created in under a minute. Thanks to PowerViz templates. Ready to level up your dashboards? Download the free trial of KPI by PowerViz and start exploring 100 plus templates today.